In this video, I will show you some sure ways to get more followers on your LinkedIn creator account or a page. Now, the first way is optimizing your LinkedIn account or a page profile. And you need to add a clear profile photo and background picture for your account or a page to look credible. And you also need to add other things like your education, skills, and work experience, or your products or services. The second sure way to get more followers on your LinkedIn account or page is inviting relevant LinkedIn users to follow you. And you can start with your coworkers or business partners who are on the platform. And you can also use the LinkedIn search feature or the open networks to find potential followers. Another sure way to gain more followers on LinkedIn is publishing useful and visual content consistently. And this is a great way to show your expertise and experience or promote your products or services, thus drawing more potential followers to your account or page. The next sure way to get more followers on LinkedIn is joining LinkedIn groups. And you can join groups that are in your industry or with similar specializations. And LinkedIn groups are great platforms where you can share your knowledge or promote your business. And there's also sharing your LinkedIn account or a page to other platforms as another sure way to gain more followers on LinkedIn. And you can make use of other social media channels, email platforms, or your website just to reach more potential followers. In addition, you can gain more followers on your LinkedIn account or a page by paying to promote your account or a page on the platform. And you can pay for the LinkedIn ads or the LinkedIn premium to boost your account or a page. And you can also pay influencers or offer giveaways to draw more potential followers. And as a bonus, other ways to get more followers on LinkedIn include interacting with other users, including liking and commenting on their posts, getting endorsements from your network, using keywords and hashtags in your profile and posts, tagging potential followers in your posts, making use of all relevant LinkedIn features, verifying your account or page, and using automation tools. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on LinkedIn and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.